Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to order on Temu app and get exactly what you ordered. Okay, so first is you have to download the application and then sign in. Or if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. So you can sign up with your email, phone number, or social login like Google or Facebook. Next is we are going to search or browse for items. So we are going to use the search bar at the top and then find what you need. So for example, we are looking for sneakers, okay, shoes for men, and then you'd be able to see here the different results. Now, you just have to tap the categories or filters to narrow the result. Okay, so here for the categories, I'm just going to select men's casual shoes. Okay, and for example, we are going to tap on this one. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do here is to check the title, the description, the sizes, the measurements, and then the materials for this one. So this helps avoid getting something too small or completely different. So you just have to look all of the photos that you have here. Okay, and then sometimes the main image can be misleading. So you have here the description. Okay, and then of course you have to read the customer reviews plus also the plus the photos, so they often show how the product looks in real life. So you have that right here. Okay, so you just have to read the reviews. Now the next one is you just have to select the size. So we have US and Euro for this one. So I'm just going to select US and 4.5, and then be able to see here the available colors. Okay, and then of course you just have to make sure that the size is correct, the color and the quantity from the options before adding it to your cart. Now once you have finalized your order, just simply tap on the add to cart option, this one at the bottom right of your screen. That's right, and then the next thing that you are going to do is to go to your cart, and then you just have to double check that your selections are correct, so including the size, the color, and then the quantity. Next one is the checkout. Okay, so tap on the checkout option. That's right. Okay, so right here you just have to fill in your shipping address, so make sure the names and the numbers are correct. Next one is you just have to pick a payment method. So we have credit, debit card, Gcash, sometimes COD in the Philippines. Okay, so I'm just going to select our payment methods. For example, the cash on delivery is available, so you can select that one. And then once you are done, you just have to confirm everything and then hit the place order. So you will get a confirmation tracking info. Okay, and then after that, I just have to go to your order sections in the app to see the status and the delivery update. So you just have to tap on the submit order. Now, I can give you some tips to get exactly what you ordered. So the Temu's super low prices are great, but product quality and accuracy can vary by seller. So first is you just need to always read descriptions and specs. So do not just look at pictures, read the size chart, materials, and any notes. Many fails happen because people did not read the actual descriptions. Next is to use the reviews and the photos. So customer photos and reviews are golden, so they share what items really look like once delivered. And the next one is to compare similar listings. So if one seller's info is vague, so check another listing for the same item to see clear details. And of course, pay attention to sizes. So sizes on Temu often follow seller standards and not your local sizes. So measure yourself and match with the chart. Okay, so it depends on what kind of products that you are going to purchase. Next one is the check return refund rule. So Temu often allows returns within a set period, usually around 90 days. So good to know in case something is not what you expected. And an order from sellers with good ratings. So higher seller ratings and lots of positive reviews usually means fewer surprises. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.